Howdy howdy howdy. I am Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist, Tim Rose bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 2008 installation, Staircase 5, by the artist Do Hoseok. The artist was born in Seoul, South Korea, in 1962. He is known for his large-scale intricate sculptures, including his immersive architectural structures composed of transparent fabric, such as Staircase 5 or Home Within a Home, which appeared at the National Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art in Seoul in 2013. This work inspires me to think about materials and the manner in which they interact with environments and spaces. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist, Tim Rose bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.